Hey, welcome back to the Woodworking Garage. In this special edition video, I wanted to do a shout out to some of the new woodworkers I've come across the last month that I think you will enjoy. As you know, my channel is not sponsored, this video is not sponsored, but this is just a shout out to some good people that are producing some good content that just started their YouTube journey that I think you will enjoy. In no particular order, first on my list is Mike over at Woodcraft 716. Over the past several weeks, Mike and I have become friends, and we've been sharing thoughts and ideas about our YouTube journey. He produces some great content. What I really like about some of his videos is that he provides good details and shows you how to build projects. But his video editing is really good, and that he quickly moves from one scene to another, keeping the viewer's attention, putting out just the necessary information to complete the video. So hop on over and subscribe to Mike at his Woodcraft 716 channel. Next on my list is Josh over at Woodshop. Josh also has a brand new channel and has just started moving forward with some of his content. He's a man that's got some creative ideas. He works in a very small space with minimal tools. And his channel is perfect for new woodworkers because you can go over there and learn from him using the tools you may already have. Next, across our northern border here of the United States is Cole at Mayson Woodshop. Now, Cole also started his YouTube journey recently, and he's been putting out some great videos. He articulates well, he's knowledgeable about the products that he's been reviewing, he shows you all the necessary information that you need to know. He also uses very good editing techniques to produce good quality videos. So whether you're into woodworking or a new woodworker, jump on over and subscribe to his channel because he's got a lot to teach you. Next on my list is Christopher over at 4321 Woodworking. Now, Christopher participates in most of my videos. He's always got great comments to share and thoughts and ideas, and I really appreciate that. He recently started his YouTube journey, and he's only got a few videos out, but he's got a lot of information to share, and there's a lot you can learn from him. So hop on over and subscribe to his channel. Last but not least on my list is David over at Mayson Woodworks. David only has a few videos out. He doesn't seem to put out videos very often, but the quality of his videos are very good. He's very knowledgeable, and he shows you details in his videos on how to build things. So hop on over and take a look at David's channel and subscribe. Now, most of these woodworkers don't know that I'm doing this shout out, but each one has something that impressed me, and I wanted to see if I could just help them along. I've enjoyed this woodworking journey. Things have moved along very quickly for me, and I hope it moves very, very quickly for them. So I hope you'll consider following the links down in the subscription below and go checking out some of their videos and subscribing. Hey, if you're a new woodworker, identify yourself and your channel link in the comment section below. I'm always looking for new woodworkers that are just getting started. We're all in this journey together, and there's a lot we can do to help each other. Hey, if you like this quick shout out video, give me that thumbs up and let me know. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I put out videos 2 to 3 times a week on project builds, how to make money woodworking, and honest tool reviews. So I've got a little something for everyone, so make sure you subscribe and stick around. I'm also going to throw up a few recent videos right here that I think you're going to enjoy. So after checking out those links below, make sure you come back here and check out some of these other videos, and I'll hopefully see you over there. Thanks for watching.